ASEAN, the 10 countries comprising the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, is strengthening its presence as a growth center in the world. Industrial development has highlighted the importance of the environmental sector. The global average temperature continues to rise, prompting countries at the 2015 Paris Agreement to set the goal of limiting the increase to 1.5 degrees of pre-industrial temperatures. This year marks the 50th commemorative year of ASEAN-Japan relations, and the Japanese Ministry of the Environment is taking the lead in environmental cooperation.
世界が一緒になって対応すべき課題とかそういったさまざまな環境問題出てきていますので日本として ASEAN に寄り添いながらパートナーとしてですねソリューションを一緒になって考えるということが重要になってきているというふうに思っております。
Japan is currently tailoring support for diverse issues that face different regions. For example, a wind power generation project utilizing the strong winds throughout the 7,000 islands of the Philippines. Many islands rely on diesel power generation, and the aim is to replace it with clean wind power. Near Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, there's a waste-to-energy plant. 500 tons of garbage per day is utilized as fuel instead of fossil fuels, with the goal of significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Cooperation has also begun to directly transfer experience and expertise from Japanese cities to ASEAN cities. In Thailand, they are utilizing cassava roots, a plant that is abundant in the country. Officials and technicians with experience in the field from Yokohama, Japan, are assisting in extracting methane gas that is produced during cassava processing to generate power. In October, a workshop was held in Bangkok.
เชิงปฏิบัติการก็เป็น Third Workshop on Net Zero Emission Business Opportunity under Bangkok Yokohama.
The focus was on fostering collaboration between the two cities, expanding from the past decade's efforts on waste issues, pollution of water and air, to decarbonization. Challenges such as promoting solar power generation and electric vehicles are common to both cities. Private companies are exploring business opportunities. Moving forward, addressing climate change in ASEAN as a whole will become more critical. In August of this year, high-ranking environmental officials from Japan and ASEAN countries gathered in Indonesia.
We continue the existing cooperative activities and we drive to start the additional activities.
There, Japan proposed a new strategic program developed for the occasion of the 50th anniversary of cooperation.
We still need the support from Japan for capacity building further when we enter the implementation period for the commitments we made at the COP26.
ASEAN and Japan need to seek any possible angle in managing the environmental issues. We believe in strengthening the strong cooperation with Japan will make this effort possible.
However, challenges still remain. Expectations among countries differed regarding the new framework. Concerns were raised that there might be a significant shift in environmental policies.
コンセンサスを取らないといけないので一国が反対した場合あるいは数カ国が反対した場合にどう説得するかっていうところの難しさそこはしっかりと話し合いを積み重ねながらやっていくことが重要かなと思います。
Internal deliberations and adjustments were made through individual online meetings with each country, taking into consideration what policies would be acceptable to all countries. At the Environmental Ministerial Meeting held in Laos, the continuation of previous cooperation as a fundamental premise was emphasized, as well as the declaration of a new strategic program.
We intend to further strengthen our cooperation with ASEAN member states, and we will work together to promote global decarbonization and the realization of a sustainable society.
In climate change, efforts include building a system for calculating and verifying greenhouse gas emissions and addressing measures against natural disasters associated with global temperature changes.
その目標が掲げることが重要ではなくて、その実際に削減の取り組みをすることが重要ですので、日本のその経験とかをそのまま適用することはできないと思いますけれども、それを参考にしながら一緒になって解決策を考えていくということが重要かなと思っています。
The environmental cooperation between ASEAN and Japan has entered a new stage. Through ongoing dialogue, the exploration of ways to enhance effectiveness in line with the times continues.